Hey yo, what's going on everybody? My name is Dylan, you guys are chilling with Dylan, and today we got a brand new unboxing and review of the recent Nike SB Blazer Mid Quick Strike Welcome Skateboard. That's right guys, so we do have them in. They actually just came in today. A little bit delayed. I was actually able to hit over on the sneakers app. I also picked these things up from DLX Skate Shop as well. Those have not come in yet. These guys just arrived today. I was pretty excited for these because honestly the colorway is pretty dope. It's a muted colorway but very nice accents to it. So let's get right into it. So overall, you're going to get the standard Nike SB box, the same as the Dunk Lows as well. So you're going to get the nice sale Nike SB box right there. Size tag reads Nike Zoom Blazer Mid Quick Strike, Sail and Dark Beetroot and White. I got a size 12. I also picked up a size 11.5. I've never purchased a Blazer before, so this is going to be my first time. So I wanted to actually get both sizes just so I could try them on. And, you know, if I do want to keep these, at least I have my correct size. As of right now, I'm not going to be able to give you guys any sizing tips because I haven't tried them on. As you flip open the box, you are going to get greeted with your standard Nike SB sticker that you're going to get in the box for all of 2024 releases. And here they are. I really am liking this colorway, guys. It is a really clean silhouette. Alrighty, guys, and we got the shoes. So overall, like I said, pretty simple shoe. It is a collab with Welcome Skateboarding. I believe they are based out of Madrid, and I only am getting the impression of that based off of the heel tab. It says Casa Welcome Madrid right there on the heel tab, which really nice detailing. But overall, guys, this is a pretty cool collaboration. Honestly, the material use is not the greatest. Honestly, from the promotional pictures, like the side paneling and the midfoot and stuff like that, and the medial is all pretty decent leather. But when you get to the toe box, let me just show you a quick press test, guys. But when you get over to that toe box, you are going to get a pretty hard, stiff leather. So I don't know if you could tell that from right there. It is a pretty stiff leather. I'm hoping that since like up towards the tongue, you get a really nice soft and supple leather. I'm hoping that as far as like wearability, it's not going to be that hard to wear and not that uncomfortable. I'm really hoping. I've never owned a Blazer before, so that's, like I said before, I got two sizes just so I can, you know, if I want to keep them, I'll get the proper wear out of them. But overall, is just as far as the actual colorway and stuff like that, really dope. And it also has a hidden detail. So that's right, guys. So this shoe has a hidden detail. As you're going to see throughout this entire shoe, all along the raw edges, you're going to get that nice dark beetroot. It's going to be on the swoosh, as you can tell right there. It's going to be all up and down where the eye stays are, as you can tell. And as you wear these, as you scuff them up, there is that dark beetroot underneath. So yes, it is another collab by Nike SB where the more you skateboard or the more you wear them, it does have that hidden layer underneath. If I have or find any images online of it doing that, I will definitely put them up on the screen here. But awesome detailing, and you know, the storytelling, and honestly just the collabs lately that Nike SB and these other companies have been coming out with. The details are, you know, really immeasurable. I love the storytelling, and overall they do a fantastic job with the colorways. Now, like I said, the medial side, so all up in here, you're going to get a pretty decent leather. It's going to be pretty soft, all on the medial side. The Nike swoosh is really soft right there. So you're going to get a nice soft textured leather right there. Going along the back of the heel, you are going to get this like leather weaving effect right on the heel right there, right where it says Casa Welcome Madrid. So you are going to get that dark beetroot accent piece right there, which I think is really dope. Really kind of sets off the shoe. I love that color, and I like how they put it with an all sail shoe. But as far as, like I said, the leather over here, pretty stiff leather. When you come up to the midsole, you're going to get that standard Nike Blazer midsole with that zoom technology in the heel. And what is really cool about the bottoms of these shoes is both the left and the right have a little bit different design. On this one, on the left, it is going to have the Nike swoosh with that dark beetroot, and it's going to be a clear bottom, but you're going to be able to see that swoosh right underneath, which I think is awesome. And then going over to the right shoe, you're also going to get the same translucent bottom with the dark beetroot underneath. However, this one is going to have what it looks like is a rose, but it might not be a rose. It might be some other type of flower, but let's just call it a rose for now. But as you can see right there, that nice detailing, really, really dope that they put that translucent with the dark beetroot underneath. Really like how that turned out. Now, as far as the laces, you might be able to tell it is a black lace. It's a pretty thin lace too. It's like a more of a, I don't even know how you would call it, but it is a thinner lace. It feels really nice, really soft, but it does have like that white checkering right on the laces as well. That's going to carry over into the sock liner. And I will say about this sock liner is that it is super, super soft. Like, the sock liner itself is a really plush feeling sock liner. I don't know if they added any more padding from what the standard Blazer comes with, but as far as just the way it feels, I can only imagine it's going to feel really good on your foot, like right on your heel, where that padding and where that textured, like, soft material is. A nice feeling material shouldn't irritate your heel cup so bad, because like I said, it feels really nice to the touch. And then going back to the tongue, you're also, like I said, going to get that nice sail leather, but it is like a soft padded leather. That actually feels really good. Probably the best feeling leather all around the entire shoe. And then you're also going to get this leather pull tab right here with the Nike SB in gold, and it just says welcome right on there. And then on the back of the tongue, on the back of that leather pull tab, it's going to read Casa Fundada in 2005. I'm only going to try this and just assume that it probably says, you know, exists. The Welcome Skateboard Madrid is in existence since 2005. That's going to be my speculation. I don't speak that language, so bear with me. But it also just says Welcome Skateboarding Madrid, all welcome here. So I'll show you guys that right there. I will have some overhead shots, so hopefully you guys are able to tell what it says right there on the back of the pull tab. But overall, guys, really nice detailing of these shoes. You also are going to get some extra sets of laces as well. So you're going to get this pair right here, which is like this waxed leather. It basically is the same leather little strings. If you guys ever played baseball, that are on a baseball glove. So it's the exact same feeling leather right there, but really cool. So you're going to get that dark beetroot. And then you're also going to get the white extra set as well. And like I said, these are also going to have a cool little textured design on there from the Welcome Skateboarding right there. But then, like, again, this feels exactly how the the black and the white checkered ones feel. Nice thin lace. It feels really, really soft. Not like your standard Air Jordan laces or whatever, but they feel really good. Really thin type of lace. So pretty cool that they added this, and then also these in the box. Also, like I said, it's just the detailing that really kind of stands out these collaborations. Now, as far as the insole, it is going to say a Casa Welcome Nike SB. There is a lot of designs in here. You're going to get like some shrimp, the flower. You're going to get like a plate of olives. You're going to get some cheeses. You're going to get some other skewers and some flowers and stuff like that. So really cool detailing inside that insole, I will say. And like I said, man, they do a fantastic job with these collaborations. The storytelling is usually fantastic. I'm really looking forward to the Nike SBs this year, whether it be the Blazers, whether it be the Dunk Lows, the Dunk Highs. It seems like year after year, they always just step up their game. And I'm excited for what's lined up with these collabs and Nike for the rest of this year. And with all that being said, guys, let me know your thoughts and opinions of the Nike SB Blazer Quick Strike with the collaboration with Welcome Skateboarding Madrid. I personally really do like them. I don't know if I will keep them and wear them. Depending on how comfortable they are, perhaps I will keep them. They're not a very heavy shoe, but they are on the heavier side than like an Air Jordan 1, for example. But I like them. I do really like them. I just don't know if I will get a lot of wear out of them, but we'll see. Like I said, dope colorway, pretty simple colorway, but I like the accents of the dark beetroot along with that sail upper. So please If you guys enjoyed these, if you guys went for them, if you copped them, let me know all that good stuff down in the comments section. If you did enjoy this video, guys, please make sure you guys are smashing that thumbs up button, as it really does help the channel grow in the algorithm, as well as smash that subscribe button, guys, because we are so close to 1,000 subscribers. Hopefully by this time of this video it actually, you know, comes out. I'm recording this on Saturday. It should be up, I believe, Tuesday of this week, but we are so close to that 1,000 subscriber mark. I cannot thank you guys enough, honestly, for your support on the channel. It really does mean a lot. About 1 full year ago now, I really hustled on this channel. I think last year at this time, I want to say I had around 200 to 250 subscribers, and a year later we are almost at that 1,000 subscriber mark. Literally, like, I think we are 12 or 13 subscribers away. So once we hit that 1,000 subscriber mark, guys, that's a pretty big milestone. I know it doesn't seem like a lot in other YouTubers' minds in today's age, where people have hundreds of thousands or millions of subscribers, but for a very small channel and a little passion of mine, which is the sneaker game, you know, it does really mean a lot. So thank you guys so much for your support. Please, like I said, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn the post notification bell on so you don't miss another one of these videos. And that's going to do it for me, guys. My name is Dylan. You guys just chilled with Dill. Me and the Nike Blazer SB Quick Strike. Welcome Skateboarding Madrid. We are out. Peace.